Hi guys, let's look at the CCPA settings in Google AdSense account. This is Chogel and I'm from Bhutan. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. We can see here we have the blocking controls. Before going to the blocking controls, please make sure to turn off any ad blocker if you have installed on your browser extensions, because with ad blockers you cannot access blocking controls. Click here on blocking controls, then click on all sites. Now you can see here manage CCPA settings. So click on the manage CCPA settings. That's it guys. To learn more about the CCPA, watch my another video. The link is given down in the description. Thanks for watching and goodbye until next time.